Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Welcome to learning about the Roth IRA, a fantastic and unique retirement savings tool. Unlike traditional accounts, you contribute money you've already paid taxes on right now. The big benefit here is that when you take out your money in retirement, as long as it's a qualified withdrawal, it's completely free of taxes. This makes it an incredibly powerful option for securing your future financial freedom, offering peace of mind later on. With a Roth IRA, you contribute money that has already been taxed, meaning you've paid income tax on it upfront. The IRS sets specific annual limits on how much you can contribute each year, which can change. Additionally, your ability to contribute directly to a Roth IRA might depend on your modified adjusted gross income, so it's always good to check the current guidelines. Here's where the Roth IRA really shines. Any investments you hold within your account, whether stocks, bonds, or mutual funds, grow completely free of taxes. Then, when you reach retirement age and meet certain conditions, your withdrawals are also completely tax-free. This amazing feature lets your money compound powerfully over decades, free from the drag of annual taxes. Beyond the tax-free withdrawals in retirement, Roth IRAs offer several compelling advantages. You can withdraw your original contributions, the money you put in, at any time and for any reason, without penalties or taxes. Plus, unlike some other retirement accounts, the original owner of a Roth IRA is not subject to required minimum distributions, offering great flexibility in later life. A Roth IRA is often ideal for younger individuals just starting their careers, especially if they anticipate being in a higher tax bracket in the future. It's also a smart move for anyone looking to diversify their overall retirement tax strategy, ensuring they have tax-free income streams later on. If the idea of tax-free retirement income sounds appealing, a Roth IRA might be perfect for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.